Do you want to add countdown on Instagram story? You can put a countdown on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a countdown on an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, find and tap on the countdown sticker. Type the name of your countdown in the text box, then set the date and time for when the countdown ends. You can also change the color of the countdown sticker by tapping the color options at the top. Once you're happy with the story, tap on your story to share it.